Look how smooth that is. It's so pretty. You don't want to put a dent in it. Oh shit, I put a dent in it. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. I'm recording. Why else would I be saying the YouTube intro? Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today is like one of my favorite things because we have a unboxing. Ooh, hold on. Let me mark my address out. I'm not famous yet, but when I do become famous, I know y'all gonna be trying to, y'all gonna be trying to like figure out where I live. And that's just not gonna happen. Oh my gosh.
Much later.
I don't think the box deserves this. But okay, whatever. So we are back. I might as well start opening the box. We are back with an unboxing. Please don't pay attention to my hair. I'm bald, y'all, so I just don't whatever's on so I can be YouTube ready. Oh my god. Okay, so I got put onto these two amazing products, and y'all, I had to get some because I'm back doing hair, and also just for myself. We're gonna start with this gem, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. Y'all, this braid gel from All Day Locks. Oh, did I focus back on me? Now it's back on me. This braid gel from All Day Locks, bro. Oh, they got a little packaging on the packaging. Now they know. It smells good to me. I don't know. I like hair products. But yeah, this crap, y'all. The thing I like about this, first of all, is black owned. Here, I'm gonna let y'all see that again. First of all, it's a black owned product. And it just does good. Like, no flaking. And probably, honestly, this is the only gel I've had that didn't like harden anybody's hair that I've done it and used it on. It's for natural styles and for braids. Like, for braids. Like, honestly, no lie, if this crap wasn't so expensive, I would probably replace the shine gem with this. No lie. That's how good it is. But yeah, the consistency, woo! I don't want to touch none, but this is what it looks like. It's orange. Orange. Aren't you glad I didn't say banana? And yeah, this crap just really works wonders. And I got the, so like, I'm not good at math, and I didn't know it was this big. Like, I didn't know it was this big. But yeah, this crap just works. Like, it works, and it doesn't leave that, like, I hate when it doesn't refocus. I need a camera. If you guys love me, get my subscribers up so I can get me a vlogging camera, because I don't feel like doing it by myself, But yeah, this crap works wonders. It doesn't leave that hard, like if you're like, let's say you try to braid with like shine and gem and it leaves that hard residue, it doesn't do that. And when you take it out, it's not hard and crunchy and just like, it does what it's supposed to do. It's for us. It's for us. It's for us. Like, it does the thing, And this one's my favorite. Oh, they wrapped it. Oh my gosh, why is this crap so big? I'm over here really getting mad. I'm like, why is this stuff, hold on. I'm like, why is this stuff so expensive? But that's why you got the biggest thing. Look. Oops. But yeah, I got the jumbo size. Duh, dummy. How you get the jumbo size and then mad it's jumbo? Jumbo size 100% Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment from, I don't want to say it wrong, Kuza? Kuza. This crap, like, I'm not a grease person, but I definitely would put this. Look at it. Look. Y'all see that? That's that stuff. That's that splat. That's that splat right there. Matter of fact, this crap is good. Like when I tell you for hair growth, I'm about to just put it on. I didn't lay the wig down, so. And I've been waiting to open this. Let me put this way. I've been waiting to open this, but yeah. So I'm gonna actually show y'all this. Look how smooth that is. It's so pretty. You don't want to put a dent in. Oh shit. I put a dent in it. Oh my gosh. Well, but y'all see that? Like you can see that. You can see it on me. But yeah. I'm gonna have to smooth that back out. I have a problem, y'all. Like I don't want that right there. But yeah. It smells so good. Oh yes. And it just feels so moisturizing. But yeah, this crap is good, y'all. Like this is what I've been like putting on my edges. Don't tell nobody. And they've been growing. Like my edges, I'm not gonna say that my edges weren't there, but like they honestly just were not there. Like they were just too light, which made it look like I didn't have any, honestly. I'm so mad I put a dent in this, y'all. But yeah, like look, like it just looks sleekier. I love it. Whew. Okay, let me put my wig back on before y'all talk about me. Y'all probably already talking about me. I probably already like past that point. But yeah, it smells amazing. Like it doesn't stink. It's good for growth. And I've just experienced that. Why are you playing? I don't usually put it on like this, but usually the mirror is like right in front of me. Y'all wanna see how I put it on? Okay, wait. Put it on as close to the top as possible because it is not a half wig, so it will slide. Okay, now put this on. I would put bobby pins on it, but I would put bobby pins on it, but like, no, because I'm planning on taking this off right after I run to the Jamaican spot and get me some food. And that's how you stop the bald-headed hoe shit, y'all. Get it, girl, bald-headed. But yeah, so I'm not bald-headed no more. And throughout the day, it's gonna just slide back. But I'm just gonna put it back there now because I just feel like it looks crazy that far up. But yeah, this was not a hair tutorial, by the way, my fault. But yeah, this crap is jumbo. Look at that big dent I put in it. But yeah, these are the two products I got from Amazon. They were, how much were you guys? See, hold on, y'all. Let's see how much they were. Ooh, okay. They were, so this big thing right here. Oh my hair. This big thing right here, can y'all see it? I don't even think I showed y'all. This big thing right here, jumbo size. It's called Kuza 100% Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment. 18 ounces. 18 mother ounces. Was $12.39. It's actually not bad, no lie. And this gem, oh, you see, why I put the top on like that? Hold on, y'all. Technical difficulties. I still put the top on. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put it on like that. Yeah, come on. You can do it. Put your wrist into it. Yeah, okay. So now this beauty right here. Yeah, this gonna, y'all see that light difference? I don't like that. I don't like that. But this was $15.99. This is because the family size of it still like 15. That's why I said if it was cheaper, I would definitely use it on some box braids. But since it's not, it's gonna go on regular braids. But yeah, so these two beauties were $12.39 and $15.99. All that with taxes and shipping and all that stuff, because I wanted it right now, because I have to do hair tonight, so I needed it like right now. But okay, all of it was $42.68. I have to stop spending money. But yeah, I smell good, y'all. Like, and it's not a nasty residue. You know how like when you put stuff on your hands, well, I don't know if y'all like that, but like when I put stuff on my hands, I just want to hurry up and like wash it off. But like it doesn't even leave that nasty residue. Like I kind of want to like rub it in my hands. But I need to do more research on this. I don't know if this crap can like go on my skin. Like look at the minerals and shit. Well, that's not minerals, like the little herbies and shit. Herbs. Whatever. Look at that. If your product's not looking like that, why are you putting it on your hair? I mean, okay, this don't look like that, granted, but you know what I mean. You know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Amazon. Ooh, I'm gonna take my thumbnail like that. My thumbnail like this. But thank you guys for watching. If you want more gems and everything, honestly, anything I buy that I feel like it's worth talking about, I'm gonna record it, because why not? Like, I feel like you guys deserve to be blessed with these gems just as much as I am. So TTYL, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share, and do whatever your little heart desires. Thank you guys.